Sayyidina 𝐉𝐨𝐲𝐻 Dabbagh rahmatullah alayhi and his likes have mentioned, another secret of the akhirah, another secret of Jannah has billion, infinite secrets we cannot know. But one secret he mentioned, he said that look, in this dunya, every day what happens? Things are going towards decline. Your aging, you're going toward old age. हर चीज़ जो है ज़वाल की तरफ जा रही है. The more you live, the more actually you are closer to death. Beauty, youthfulness starts declining, diminishing. Power. They say there's one difference, another difference in Akhirah, in Jannah and dunya. There every day you become more beautiful. Like here you age negatively, there positively. Every day you become more youthful. Every day you become more excited. Every day you become more energized. It's opposite to here. And that never ends.